I'll show you how to download JohntheRipper. I'm just going to type JohntheRipper in the search bar and it will provide me with the link to download it. Here there are several options. I'm going to choose the one for 64-bit Windows. So I'm going to download this file. I'll just place it on my desktop for now. You can see now the file is downloaded. So now I'm going to extract this folder to the drive that keeps the Windows. For me it is the C drive, so I'll just extract it to C. So you can see the folders here. I'm just going to rename it to something simpler. I would say John. In order for JohntheRipper to function, it needs to connect to CMD. So what I'm going to do is write CMD over here and open its file location. I'll create a shortcut for it. I'll just cut it from here and paste it on the desktop. Let's just rename it to JohntheRipper. Now I'll go to the properties and change the file path. I'll copy this file path and place it over here. And as you can see, it's connected now and it's ready to be used. Now let's have a look at how JohntheRipper actually works. I have this link open that generates a hash for a password that we give it. Let's say we give it a test username and same password, and it's going to give us back a hash. I'm going to copy it and place it in a text file. Let's name it hash. I'm going to move this file into the run folder. Now we're going to do all the stuff at CMD. You gotta type John and the file name and run. It's going to give us back the password for the hash stored in this file. See, if you can see, it's already here, but for more clarity, as you can see, the password is here. Let's have a look at another example. We have this file which is protected with a password. So in order to access it, we need this password. So we're going to use JohntheRipper in order to get access to this file. So first of all, I'm going to move this file into the run folder, and now I'm going to run some commands over here. File name is file dot. It has returned us with a hash which we're going to store in a file. let's name the file as info.txt. Here it is with the stored hash. Now we're going to run another command. So as you can see, this was the password KING, which I had kept for it. Wait a second. So we basically got access to the file.